Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, if you are an amateur singer and want to make stunning singing audios but you don't know how to do that, so don't worry, this video is going to be for you. I am going to explain how to auto tune your singing audios, so stay tuned. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you have to install an application. Open Play Store, search for the application Voloco, and this is the application. I have already installed the application, so go back, and this is the application. Open the application. Because we are using a free trial, so the application is also asking for the purchase of the premium. For our use, free trial is also enough. To start recording your auto-tune voice, click the plus button. Here it is. Click, and the last option is new project. Click, and you can scroll up for different settings. For example, FX, compressor, equalizer, echo, reverb, and you can click this red button to start the recordings. For example, click, and now you can sing any of your favorite songs, and this recording is being done. Because I am recording the screen at the present time while recording the screen, the recording option is not available, but the application is showing some sort of recording close. You can scroll between the timeline of the your sound. You can click on the timeline of the voice, and you can see there are different options. The first option is FX and volume. Click, and you can adjust your different option. Echo, click, you can adjust the echo. At present it is bypass. You can right to left, eighth note bounce, etc. You can select your panning, compressor, equalizer, reverb, or you can adjust the volume. You can adjust the vocals. You can adjust the effects, and click on the options, and there you can see a lot of options. Some of the options are free, but at the bottom of the list, these are the premium features which you can purchase. But I think these are the enough features which are available free. And then if you are satisfied, you can click this pink button, click next, and the application is showing the preview of your sound. And if you are satisfied, at the upper right corner there is download button, or at the bottom there is a save button. So click download button, download as audio, download as video, and I prefer to download this file as audio, and the file saved to downloads, and the file name is natural tune C major M4A, and you can search for this file to use this file in your any videos or project. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.